Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing good. So today we are going to look at a very easy problem from LeetCode, which is two sum. It's a question that's commonly asked in Amazon, Microsoft and Google interviews. So let's get started. Okay, so first let's go over the question. Given an array of integers nums and an integer target, return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to the target. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution and you may not use the same element twice. You can return the answer in any order. So yeah, you're given a target and you're asked to find the two numbers that adds up to this target, and you're not going to return the two numbers, you're going to return the indices of these two numbers. So such things you should take note of from the question. And let's go over the examples. So in the first example, the target is 9. So 2 and 7 adds up to 9. So you're returning the indices 0 and 1. So in the second example, 2 and 4 adds up to 6 and you're returning 1 and 2. Okay. And in the third example, it's 6 and you'll be returning 0 and 1 because 3 and 3 adds up to 6. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to pick example 1 and we are going to walk through our approach before getting into the coding part of this problem. Okay, so you're given a target 9 and you're also given an array of integers. You're going to find the two numbers that adds up to 9 and you're going to return the indices of these two numbers. Okay. We are going to follow a simple calculation where each time you visit a number, you know two numbers. Okay, like 2 and 9 here, and you're asked to find B, the other number. So you will be getting 7, and you're going to check if the 7 exists in the array. If it exists, then you have already found the two numbers, which is 2 and 7. If not, you will keep continuing the same. Okay, so you need a data structure to record the number that you visit and also the index of this number, right? For that, I'm going to use a hash map. I'm going to have a for loop which iterates over this array. Okay, so initially that for loop is going to point to 2, and you're going to check if 9, which is the target, minus 2, which is 7, is present in this hash map or not. 7 is not present in the hash map, right? So you're going to add this 2 and the index of this number, which is 0, into the hash map, and you're going to move on to the next number, which is 7. You're going to check if 9 minus 7, which is 2, is present in the hash map. Yes, it is present, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to return the index of this number 7 and the index of 2, which is 0. Okay, so you'll be returning the index of 7 is 1 and the index of 2 is 0, and yeah, that's it. So that's how we are going to do this. It's quite simple. So let's start with the coding part, and as I mentioned, I'm going to have a hash map in order to store the integer that I visit as well as the index of that integer. Okay, and I need a for loop to iterate over the elements in the array. Okay, and each time I need to check if this map contains target minus the current number. If it contains, then it means that we have found the two elements that adds up to the target, and I can return the indices of those two numbers, right? So in this case, I need to return the two indices. So this is how I access it from our map. If it is not present, then I just add the current number and its index into the map. Okay, and if we haven't found any integers that adds up to the target, then I'm going to return null. Okay, let's see. So it passes all the test cases and I'm going to submit it. So the time complexity of this problem is going to be big of n, because in worst case we might iterate over all the elements in the array, and the space complexity is going to be big of n again, because what if we store all the elements in the hash map in the worst case. Thank you so much for watching. Hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please comment what other coding question you want me to solve, or what other coding patterns you would like me to explain, so I can do it for you. And let's meet again soon with another coding video. Bye.